Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make stick figure animations for a Faceless YouTube channel. So if you want to start a profitable YouTube channel without showing your face or recording complex footage, simple stick figure animations are incredibly engaging, easy to create, and also perfect for explainer, storytelling, or educational channels. So here I'm going to show you one of the example on how you can create one stick figure animations video. So you can use Canva like I do in here. First, you can upload your voiceover or to the timeline like this, for example. So here is my
weight on your shoulders feels too heavy to carry. But remember this.
Okay. So after this, you can just find the stick figure. You can go to the elements and find stick figures in here. And to have consistent character, you can first choose the stick figure animations, and you can click on the three dots icon and go to the creators page like this. For example, I think I'm going to find the one with the same style. Okay, this one. And here you can search for the elements that match the keyword of your voiceover. I'm going to...
There will be days when quitting feels easier.
Okay, I'm going to just write, for example, quitting as the keyword. Let's say I'm going to use this one, and you can add tags now. You can add a text box, and I'm going to just write quitting in here. You can adjust the size of the tags and also the font to how you prefer it. So for example, for the font, I'm going to use this one, Lilita 1. You can adjust the duration so that it matches with the voiceover. I'm going to duplicate the page first. And let's hear the next keyword.
There will be days when quitting feels easier, when the weight on your shoulders feels too heavy.
Okay, I'm going to find heavy now for the keywords. You can write the keyword again. Now I'm going to put the keyword on the right, and next one here. Okay, this one heavy, like this. Don't forget to adjust the duration.
There will be days when quitting.
I'm going to lower the duration, and also for this one.
There will be days when quitting feels easier, when the...
Okay, for this one, I'm going to make it longer. Now you can add animations to each of the stick figure and also the tags. For example, for this one, I'm going to click on animate, and this one just burst, for example. And for this one, let's this one. So just choose the animation that you preferred. and preview it again.
There will be days when quitting feels easier, when the weight on your shoulders feels too heavy to carry.
So you can just repeat the steps until all of the voiceover is described by the stick figure. And when you're done, you can click on share, download, and download it as MP4. And after that, you can upload it to your YouTube channel. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.